There are various welding applications in the field of e-mobility. For example, the welding of bipolar plates, the welding of batteries, or the welding of stators. And for these applications, we have a product supporting our customers, the Laser Welding Monitor, monitoring your weld quality. The product works as follows. During welding, you create process light, process emissions. And these emissions go back into the optics, finding its way to our sensor. Inside the sensor, there are 3 photodiodes, and this gives you 3 signals. And the system has to be trained in the first step, so you have to teach the system how a good weld looks like, how good process emissions look like. And this is done, then the system is ready and can tell you after each weld if this was a good weld or not. We have this sensor available for infrared, green and blue laser sources and up to 250 kilohertz. 250 kilohertz is mandatory for high-speed weldings, as we have for the welding of bipolar plates, or pulse laser process, as they often occur by contacting of battery faults. So the LWM is monitoring your weld quality and thus helps you to decrease scrap rates.